Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. Today we're going to make some potato skins. I remember moving to Houston back in the late 70s, and the big rage was T.G.I. Fridays and their potato skins. So we're going to try to reenact that today. I'm just going to do 2 potatoes. We're going to cut them in half, so there'll be four servings. You want to use russet potatoes because the skin's going to be more crispy than if you use like a red potato or some other gold potato. You want to pierce them with a fork numerous times. Actually, I did some research on why you're supposed to do this, and it came up with nothing. They've done experiments and it didn't stop it from exploding. It didn't make it any tender or cook any faster. But it's what we've always done, so we're gonna do it. So here we're gonna rub the whole potato with oil. I've got a 400-degree preheated oven. I'm going to sprinkle these a little bit with salt. I'm not going to waste too much salt because I don't know that it's really going to do much. We'll salt them after we slice them in half. So we're going to bake these on a middle rack. These aren't huge, so we'll do it for 60 minutes and then we'll test them and see if they're done. So the potatoes have been baking about 70 minutes. So what we're going to do here to help them cool off a little bit, because we can't handle them right now, I'm going to cut them in half. We're going to let these cool off. And in the meantime, we're going to go for a walk. So I'll see you in about a half hour. Okay, the potatoes have cooled off. So what we're going to do is scoop out quite a bit of this. Maybe leave a 1/4 inch. So we've scooped out quite a bit of the potato. I've melted some butter. We're just going to brush inside and outside. So now I've got the broiler on high in the oven. So we're gonna broil this for about 5 minutes on each side. So I'll broil it 5 minutes and I'll flip them over and broil another 5 minutes. So they've been broiling on one side here about 5 minutes. That looks pretty crispy. Now we'll flip them over. Now we'll broil this side for another 5 minutes to 7 minutes. So the second side went faster than I thought. They've only been about 3 minutes. And it looks pretty crispy. So now for the final step, you could sprinkle with salt now. I put quite a bit of salt in the butter before I put the butter on, so I'm not going to use salt on this. So now you take cheese. I just have a blend of Colby and Monterey Jack. You can use cheddar or any your favorite cheese. And then bacon. You can use pork bacon, turkey bacon, whatever you like. So these we're just going to put back in just enough for that cheese to start melting good. Back under the broiler. So we'll put that in there just for a few minutes. Yeah, now when you go out to eat and you have these hors d'oeuvres, why it takes so long to cook them. These are going to be really good, but it does take some time to get all these. Now the baked potato you can do ahead of time, like we did. We baked them and went out and did a walk for about an hour. So when these come out, we can top them with our favorite toppings, some sour cream, green onion, if you want some picante hot sauce, or I'm gonna have a little side dish of some ranch dressing. You can dip them in the ranch dressing and eat it. Let's see what they look like. So they've been in the broiler for about 3 minutes, 4 minutes. That looks pretty good. There you have it. Now we'll put them on a serving dish and put our favorite toppings on them. So I will put some various toppings on these. Sour cream, of course. Sprinkle with the top with some green onions. And maybe even a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes. Hungry, let's try these. I like the sour cream, so I'll take the sour cream ones. Just like T.G.I. Fridays. If you like them a little bit more crispy, when they're in the broiler upside down, let them sit in there for a little bit longer. That'll get them a little more crispy, or you can dig out maybe a little bit more of the potato. That'll make them a little bit more crispy. So now I'm gonna try it with the ranch dressing, because that's what I remember. Very good. I'll remind you before Catherine does her taste test. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to Ed Foodie. Now let's let Catherine try.
Nice.
I hear the crunch. Good.
Very good.
So you can put some hot sauce on there. I'll put some crushed red pepper on some of them.
That's good. Like a bacon on it. She's very
Yeah,
good.
Catherine's a bacon lover.
Yeah. And then the pepper.
All right, so there you have it. Easy. I don't say by quick, but they are easy and very good. Thanks for watching.